sure you've heard of Spider-Man, Hulk, Venom, Superman, Captain America, and the like. So many superheroes. Now, the interesting thing is that you're not the only one who shares this interest. There are millions of people out there who enjoy just watching this superhero. Now, how does this concern this video? Very simple. You can see currently displaying on the screen is my YouTube channel that I've been able to gather millions of views through simply creating different activity that the superheroes indulge in. Now, I've been able to gather millions of views, and if you want to know how much I make on this channel, there are so many, there's social blades, so many tools out there that you can use to check how much money this YouTube channel makes, because I'm not going to go into that detail. Well, you can also do this, and it's through simple step-by-step strategy I will show you in this video. Now, without further ado, let's hop right in. Let me show you how that works. But again, if this is your first time on this channel, you might want to hit on the subscribe button, like this video, and share so that more people will get to see it. See you.
So this is what my current channel looks like, right? And if you know me very well, you will know very well that I don't create anything that I have not practiced or is not working for me already. Right? Then you can see currently I have about 12,200 subscribers here, and I've been able to gather over close to 3 million views already in the past about 50 days, right? And you know that's a huge views on YouTube. So let's come here to our shot and be very focused on what exactly brought us here. So I'm gonna play this shot of mine, and then you just watch it and see what it looks like, what we're trying to achieve, what I'm trying to teach you in this, because eventually these short videos are videos I all uploaded about 2 p.m. today, and currently 10:50 p.m. You can see this video already has over 500 views, 400 views, 500 views, 700 views. This has 11, this has 900 views, and it's just a matter of time before these videos will take off. All right, before these videos will take off and start doing very huge views. You can see this video currently has 7.6k, 9.6k, 9.2k, 10k views. You know, this video has 10k views, this video has 10k, 3k, 5k, 2k. Alright, so without further ado, how do I create this? So what I do is, you're trying to simply create, different activities that superhero are performing. You can see this is superhero at the embassy, superhero airport security, superhero defends each other, superhero issues visa, superhero as a boss, superhero loads aeroplane. But one of the things you would notice is that this video currently has Spider-Man looking as a nurse, it has Batman looking like a nurse, it has Captain America looking like a nurse, it has Venom looking like a nurse. So these are all the different superheroes. Another thing you would notice with this video is that it is in short form, meaning that it is not in landscape, it is portrait, right? Another thing you would notice with this video is that it has the reason why you input your subscribe button here, which means you want people to subscribe, because short, oftentimes what short does for your channel is that it gathers a lot of views for you. All right, and eventually these views it gathers a lot of views for you, and these views eventually translate into subscribers, right? So you don't want to waste your views, you want to get subscribers by it. You can see in the last 50 days I've been able to gather over 12,000 subscribers on YouTube. 12,000 subscribers anywhere in the world. Ask any YouTuber, will tell you. I have other YouTube channels, and some of my YouTube channels have been on for like 3 years, and I have a little over 2,000 subscribers, some 1,000 subscribers. All right, that's to tell you how challenging it is for you to get subscription. But already I have over 12,000 subscribers, and I am so sure that before the end of August, right, I'll be headed to like 20,000 subscribers. Right, so yeah, so you want to input your subscribe icon here. All right, the next thing is your picture, a video of you by the corner. Now the reason why you need to add a video of you is because most of these images you're using, they are copyrighted, they have been patented by Marvel movies. These characters are all Spider-Man, Batman, they are companies that have the signatory right to their copyright, right? So anybody that uses this character for anything else is going to be copyright, and YouTube does not allow that. But once you put your picture here, your video here, not a picture, a video of you, and it plays across the video from beginning to the end, right? Once that happens, you have been able to successfully evade the copyright strike, because once you can go on and post videos like this, people will watch it and watch it and watch it. It will gather millions of views for you. But eventually, when it is now time to monetize the channel, you can't monetize your channel because your your all the content you've been posting are all copyrighted. All right. So now, how do we create these images, right? How do we actually achieve this? Very simple. So let's say I want to create pictures of all of the superheroes. I'm going to come to this AI here called ideogram. You could either choose to use ideogram, or you can use Leonardo AI. So once you come here on Leonardo AI, you register. But for the sake of time, we're going to stick with ideogram, which is what I use predominantly. So what you have to do is to come here and type a character. So let's say superhero, type in on a laptop. So I'm going to start with saying Spider-Man. Create an image of Spider-Man. Mind you, I'm going to leave, if you don't, on ideogram is spelled ideogram.ai. Alright, it's going to be in the link in the description of this video also. So you just type create. I'm just going to come here and type create. I'm being very detailed and very careful. Create an image of Spider-Man. Type in on a laptop. Then I'm gonna come here. The next thing you want to do is to come here and actually choose your aspect ratio. So if you're choosing for, this is 16:10 is for normal YouTube videos, 1:1 is also for YouTube videos, but because we're choosing portraits for short, we're going to choose 10:16. Alright, so once you click on 10:16, you scroll down and you click on generate, and you can see it's currently loading and generating for our image for us. It's going to take some time, so just give it time to load. So you can see it has created various pictures for us. This is a picture of Spider-Man operating what I don't know. This is he operating laptop, this and another. But this, so you just pick the one that is more realistic, because remember, this is an AI, so it's not going to be 100%, it's not human. So you just click on this three toggle button here and you click on download, right? So you click on download. You can see currently it says PNG 100% quality. Usually this would be for the paid version of ideogram, but we're using the free version. I think the free version allows you to download, I think, somewhere around 15 images every day. So if you don't want to subscribe for the premium version, which I would advise because you're not making money yet, all right, is to open multiple ideogram accounts using different emails. Very simple. So you click on JPEG, the 75% quality image quality, it will still work. So I've been able to do for Spider-Man. The next thing I want to do is I'm going to come here to this prompt and just highlight this and type another superhero, Venom. Same prompt, right? Just click on generate, enter, and it will start generating for you. So we're going to wait for that to also generate for us. As you can see, it has created our image for Venom. So I'm just going to come here also and click on download, 75% image quality. So I've been able to do it for all of my superheroes, right? All the superheroes that I want to do. You can see this is the last one for Ghost Rider. The next thing you want to do is to come to your video editor. So this might be, I'm using Camtasia. You could also use CapCut, but for the sake of this video, let's stick with CapCut. So once you come to CapCut, right, you can click on create new project. And mind you, you can do this on your mobile device, meaning you can do this on your phone. So do not get it twisted. You could actually do this on your phone as well. And I'm going to show you how you can actually do that on your. So now that we are on CapCut, what we want to do is to come here and click on import project. If you're using CapCut on your mobile device, it will look different. So you can see currently these are all the pictures we've downloaded of superheroes doing one thing or the other. So what I want to do, I'm just going to copy all of this image and click on open so that it will be imported to CapCut. Alright, so this is on CapCut mobile device, and again I am emphasizing using it on your phone because you could do this on your phone. So I drag all of my pictures and bring them to my timeline, and once I drag all of my pictures and bring them to my timeline, they're going to appear like this on my timeline. The next thing I want to do is I want to compress this a little bit because I don't want my images to be too long. Alright, because it's a short, so it shouldn't be too long. It should be very short, probably not more than 20 seconds, so that your viewers can actually relate with it. So I want to click on play and see how that looks. Alright, so you can see it's showing the different images that we've added, all the images that we downloaded. So you want to come here and click on this ratio button and make it the same 16:11 that we actually picked earlier on. Remember, it was 16:11 we picked because what we're trying to do is to create YouTube shorts, right? Not some long video, and we'll make sure that the aspect ratio aligns with what we're trying to achieve. So the next thing we want to do, right, is to actually add transitions to these images. Transitions are usually what makes it's even more interesting. So as one image is moving to the next, the transitions are making it even more interesting to watch, right? So there are different transitions here. You can choose different transitions you can pick from. So I'm just going to stick with this transition here. So I'm just going to drag this transition and add it in between all of my images. Alright, drag it and add it in between all of the images. So I added the first one. So I'm going to add the second one, the third one, added the fourth one, the fifth one, and the sixth one. Alright, so now let me play it again and you see what it looks like. I'm playing it. You can see how it's showing. So it's showing differently. Alright. So that's about that. So the next thing we want to do, right, is to import a video of yourself. So the next thing I want to do, of course, like I said earlier, is to now add, remember the video of yourself I spoke about. So I'm going to add a video of myself just to make sure that this content, we are able to safeguard it for copyright. Alright, so then I'll just drag my content, my video here. Alright, this video of myself. Okay. Alright, I just dragged it here. So the next thing I want to do is to crop it, alright, make it look small. Remember in my video, it looked so small. It looked so small that it was almost inconsequential. If you don't pay close attention, you probably won't even notice it was there. Alright, the next thing we want to do is to click on remove. So click on auto remove background. So the background of this background, I want to remove it completely of this image. Alright, remove it completely. So once that background is removed, give it some time to load. You can see our background has been successfully removed. So this video rather, no longer has a background. The next thing we want to do is to kind of add a filter to make it black and white so that it will even become less obvious that there is a video like that playing in the background. So you just come here and pick, you see there's the black and white filter here. So I'm just going to click on this. I'll probably first of all drag it to my video here. You can see currently just changed the color. The next thing I want to do is to further adjust the position of this video and bring it to the lower corner here. So the next thing you want to do, right, is to cut this image here. Make sure you cut it at an exact position where the video ended, because even if it's a nanosecond point where it does not show, then that video might be flagged for copyright. The next thing I want to do is to import our download icon. Remember, our subscription icon rather. Remember that you need to get people to subscribe to your channel. That is the whole essence of this. You need to get people to subscribe to your channel. So you need to download your subscription icon. You might not have it on your browser, so chances are that you might have to go to pixel.com to download it. Alright, pixel.com would help you get that, or I probably can't find that here. So what we'll do, I'm just going to show you that I'm intentionally making this video as detailed as possible. Just come here to pixel.com, or you come to pixabay.com. Type Pixabay on your Chrome, on your browser, click on search. It's gonna bring you here, so you can see you can download free images that are copyright free. Alright, so what we want to do, we want to download YouTube subscribe. Just type YouTube subscribe. It's going to bring out a lot of videos for you that indicate subscription for YouTube. Click on search, YouTube subscribe animation. These are sponsored, so don't download a sponsored one because it won't work for you. You need a free one. So you can see royalty free. So you come here and just look for anyone that works for you and just download it. Alright, so I'm just gonna click on this and click on download. Click on download button. It's going to be downloaded to your device. So the next thing you want to do is to add it to your CapCut. And once you add it to your CapCut, you want to drag it to your to your screen. Once you add it to your screen, you can see currently this is what it will look like, but you don't want this green background to show. So you're gonna come here to video, come here and click on remove, click on auto remove. Just click on auto remove. You come here and click on Chrome key. Click on this button here, and then you come here, highlight this. And it's gone. So we're gonna play it and see. We've been able to remove the green background. So let's play it and see what it looks like. So to remove it, you come here. Do not click on auto remove. Alright, click on Chrome key here, Chrome key, and then you click on this button here. And then it's going to give you the icon where you'll be able to remove it. So you see, we've been able to remove the green background. So when we play it right now, it will show without the green background. So you can either choose to leave it here in the middle, but normally I'll just leave it that, move it slightly to the side so it does not obstruct what the video is about. And my friend, that is that your video has been successfully created. The next thing you want to do is to come here and click on export. And once you click on export, it's going to start creating. Click on export, download, and then your video will be downloaded to your mobile device. The next thing is how to upload this video on YouTube, which I'll be showing you in a few minutes.
So the next step is how to upload this video on YouTube. All right, so what you want to do is to come here and click on your YouTube, and then you click on this plus button here. And once you click on the plus button here, this is upload on your mobile device. It's the same process for upload on your PC. All right, and you come here and click. This is the video here that we created already. All right, so you want to click on done, and once you click on done, it's going to load this way. I'll give it a minute to load, and then it's going to come here and give you a blank page. So you want to click on this add sound, and then this is the sound I will add, simple. Now the reason why we're choosing this simple, you can choose whatever sound you want, but usually we choose sound that has gone viral. As you can see, currently there are 529,000 people or short have used this, meaning that it kind of helps with virality. All right, I'm sorry this video is taking so much time. I'm trying to be as detailed as possible. So the first thing you want to do here is to come here and click on your audience, click on no, it is not meant for kids. Then you click on related video. On your related video, you can just add any video you've uploaded before, so that when people watch this, it will be there highlighted below the video, so they can choose to watch that too. So that's all about that. The next thing you want to do is to come here and click on your I just pasted a title from my former video, so I'll just edit this title, all right, and make it particular to this very new video that we're uploading. So I'm just gonna come here and say superhero typing on laptop. So you see, So you can choose to just copy what I wrote here and make that your own title that works for you. And then the next thing you want to do is to come here in the right hand corner, top left hand corner. You can see this sign that looks like a pen. You click on it. This is where you get to choose what image is going to, what picture, which picture is going to be like the display picture when people see this on YouTube. So I'm gonna click on done. And once I click on done, you can come here and click on upload your shot, and then we'll click on upload our shot. It's going to start uploading.